So we've got a 2019 Mercedes CLS, which is running NTG 5.5. So this is one of our newly launched kits now that we'll be able to offer for newer Mercedes models that unfortunately didn't have CarPlay. So I'll just give you a quick walk around on this one. I must say the dramatic difference that you get inside here. Obviously this is the latest generation inside here for the Mercedes, so that's obviously all it's all the screen based. So this is obviously the original interface. Everything is done via the main jog dial. So if we just hold down this particular back button and we're going into here, so now we've got, as you can see, I mean, it's huge, massive, full screen CarPlay in here now, where even I had a Mercedes a while ago with the newer interface, and it was only just half the size of this, not full screen. So it's a massive improvement in here now as a cabin, inside the cabin. As you can see, I mean, the crispness and detail, very slick compared to obviously lesser products on the market. I guess it's like everything, you get what you pay for. We've been installing CarPlay now here at TTW for nearly 5 years now, so we've seen quite a few sort of changes over the years in terms of compatibility and everything else, but we've always strived to offer the best interface that you can possibly get with the best reliability. And this is another kit that we've been testing for a while now before we actually decided to launch it for the newer generation. We can also do NTG 5 and NTG 5.5 now, so that takes it up, some cars up to 2021, depending on when they were registered, that we're now able to offer CarPlay. This also fully integrates with the built-in reversing camera and parking sensors. Obviously goes straight back in, as you see, very quick in and out. It utilizes the original microphone on the Mercedes on these newer kits, so you don't have to have an external microphone installed. This is obviously iPhone and Android, full wireless capability with iPhone and wired. Android, unless you've really got a high-end Android phone, then obviously wireless will work on selected phones, but that predominantly is wired. So if you've got a newer generation Mercedes that's lacking Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, then please give us a call at TTW Installations, and we'll be very happy to recreate what you're seeing in front of you now.